Stand by, stand by. Vehicle approaching roundabout. Speed is 60, medium risk onto the roundabout. It's not one, leads. It is not 2, Skipton. It is 3, A629, Keighley.
Stand by, please.
Vehicle is approaching the new roundabout. It is offside. Wrong way around the roundabout.
Stand by, please.
Speed is 100 miles an hour. He's taking the left-hand feeder, now onto the right. He's going the wrong way around the roundabout.
It's looking tough up, well, you've got to stay tight and steer.
He's on the Air Valley Trunk Road. He's on the wrong side of the carriageway. He's now resipping. It is straight on at this point. Past.
Just going to Airedale Hospital.
Correct. Speed 100 past Airedale Hospital.
Mr. Will, yeah, we'll take it. Mr. Will, control to you. Okay.
It's a crash. I have runners.
That's outside Airedale Hospital, just past the Viper Road. Thornhill Road.